Hi everyone, this is Amit Kumar. Welcome to my chemistry class. Today I will discuss about the IPC nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. So students, see here the topic name is IPC nomenclature. That means how to write the compound name with the help of IUPAC. Clear? So students, the IPC full form is that International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So that is the full form of IUPAC. Clear? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Before going to start the haloalkanes and haloarenes nomenclature, we will discuss about the basic points of IPC nomenclature. So the point is that, like first, if the carbon having single bond, that means all the carbon series having the single bond, the suffix is A. Clear? And the second one is, if the carbon having double bond, the suffix is in. And the third one is, if the carbon having triple bond, then the suffix is I. This is our first point regarding the carbon series. Now come to the functional group. So we discuss about the haloalkanes and haloarenes. That means halogen group. Halogen group. The representation of halogen is X, and X means F, Cl, Br and I. So students, halogen group prefer only prefix but not prefer suffix. So prefix but not suffix. So in this case, if the carbon atom having fluorine, so that means the IPC name is fluoro. If Cl is there, that means chloro. If Br is there, that means bromo. If I, that means iodine is there, that means iodo. Clear? So this is the common point of IPC. So first we talk about the haloalkanes examples for IPC nomenclature. So students, see the example here. Like example first, CH3, CH2, Cl. Clear? So in this case, this carbon atom having halogen atom here. So what is the trend of, or you can say what is the criteria for the counting in the haloalkanes? So students, if the chlorine atom attached to this carbon atom, this is our parent carbon atom. So take first and another one like second, third, fourth, fifth. So like that you can count the carbon atom, and after that first Cl means halogen member. So halogen member prefer only prefix and suffix. So students, what is the meaning of prefix and what is the meaning of suffix? Clear? So prefix means before the carbon atom, and the suffix means after the carbon atom, So that means chloro, bromo, iodo, fluoro, these are the prefix you added from before the carbon atom. So in this case, the first position having the Cl, and the Cl prefix is chloro. And how much number of carbon atom? 2. So that means take 8 and check this carbon series. What is the bond between carbon? This is single bond. That's why take suffix A. So finally we will get 1-chloroethane. This is the final name for this example. Now come to the second example. So if we take the example like CH3, CHCl and single bond CH2 and CH3. Clear? So what is the criteria for this type of carbon series counting? So students, if you are counting from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can see here the carbon third, that means third carbon atom having the halogen group. If you have preferred the counting from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this case the second carbon atom having the Cl. So which one is very easy counting? So the 2, that means the secondary, that means second carbon atom having the halogen atom. So you prefer this counting and not prefer this counting, because of this counting gives us chlorine atom less number of carbon atom. Clear? So in this case the 2 position having the Cl, that means 2 dash, and the Cl means like prefix is chloro, and how much number of carbon atom? 4. So 4 means but, and check all the carbon series, it having only single bond, that's why take in. So the finally name is 2-chloro-butane. Clear? So this is our final name for the example 2. Now come to the next example, like example third, CH3 single bond CH and double bond CH2. Clear? So what is the name for this compound? And if we talk about the example for like CH2, CH double bond CH2 and Cl attached to this carbon atom. So in this case the double bond priority is more as compared to single bond. So you have to select this carbon atom for the counting 1, 2 and 3. So in this case the carbon atom is 3, that's why take prop for the carbon 3, and the double bond is there. So double bond, how much position? 1, and for the double bonding suffix is E. So you can write prop dash 1 dash E for the first position. If the first position, that means carbon first having the double bond, you can remove the first position and you can directly write the name propane. But if the other position is there, you can't remove this number. Clear? Be remember. But in the case of example 4, so you also write the counting from 1, 2, 3 and 4. So students, we remember if the double bond and first position on the same position, like this is our first carbon atom, if you are counting from this is also first carbon atom. So both the double bond and Cl having the same position, so you prefer the double bond, because of double bond priority is more, so that's why take first position, second and third. So it will come for the Cl is third dash chloro, and number of carbon atom is how much? Prop. And what about the double bond on the carbon atom? So it will first carbon atom double bond, so you can write simple E. So this is the final name for this exam. Clear? So students, come to the haloarenes. So haloarenes examples, like example first, haloarenes means halogen attached with directly benzene ring. So if the Cl is there, or you can I means iodo is there. So students, This is our first position, second, third, 4, 5 and 6. You can write the counting of the carbon atom like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in this case the name is 1 dash, Cl means chloro, and this system is, what about this system? This system is benzene. So you write simple 1 dash chlorobenzene, or you can write chlorobenzene. Clear? In this case also you write the first dash iodobenzene, or you can write simple iodobenzene. Clear, students? Now come to the next one. Come to the next example. Like, so in this case, if you are counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in this case you having the 1 position and 2 position having the same atom. That means for the same atom, how much total atom? 1 and 1, that means 2. So for the 2 atoms you will write the di, and the Cl prefix is chloro. And what about this system? This system is benzene. Clear? Now come to this example. If you are counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case the first and 5 position having the Cl. But if you are counting from here 1, 2, 3. So only third position you will have the Cl atom. So this trend is correct, but this trend is not correct. So that's why you follow this trend. Clear? So only 1 and third position you will have Cl, and how much Cl? 1 and 1, that means 2. 2 means di, and the Cl prefix is chloro, and the system name is benzene. Clear? Now come to the last example. If you are counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also if you are counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means all the trends you will have first and fourth position of the halogen atom. So in this case you will write 1, 4 dash dichlorobenzene. Clear? If someone asks about the common name of the given examples, so students, the common name is orthodichlorobenzene. Same for this example, that means meta dichlorobenzene. Same for the last one example. This one is para dash dichlorobenzene. The one important point is that how to decide the ortho, meta and para position of the given example. Clear? So students, see here the trick of ortho, meta and para. Clear? So students, if the benzene ring having two similar type of groups, so first to count, write the number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Clear? So first condition is that 1, 2 and 1, 6 is known as ortho position. Ortho means O dash. You can write simple ortho means O dash. And the second one is 1, 3 and 1, 5 position is known as meta position. That means you simple write M dash. And the third one is 1, 4 position is known as para position. That means P dash. Clear? So these are the positions is known as ortho, meta and para position in the benzene ring. Clear? So you remember all the tricks of the ortho, meta and para. And one important point for the ortho and meta as well as para. Clear? So you remember this formula. Clear? O means ortho and M means meta and P means para. Clear? So this is the one of the best trick. You remember ortho, meta and para. So simply you follow this sentence and after that you will understand ortho, meta and para trick of the benzene ring.